Morning guys, I've got a day off work, so I'm going to do like a little bit of a follow me around vlog. Quite sunny outside. How's the back end job? That's alright, I've got about 50mm either side to play with, so it's not too bad as long as I've got the workshop clean. It's all good, so I'll get this trailer off and go for a little adventure. So yeah, once I got the trailer off from going to Winton, I decided to go pick up some shirts that just got finished. So I've been using all of the above. They're a great company I think they started in Fitzroy, and they do a really good job of their screen printing, and that's where I've got all of my hoodies done up until now. So yeah, this is just the trip into there in the wagon, and as you can see, it was pretty busy, and that's why I put on the time lapse. But anyway, we got there in the end, and yeah, went to the wrong place and found out that they've got 2 shops now, so I had to go there. My shirts were made somewhere else and I didn't read the email well enough, so we're on another drive. Okay, right, we are at All the Above in Brunswick. I went to the wrong joint and now went to the right joint. The guys there are awesome, got my shirts, they look sick. Finally picked up our sick new shirts. That's the design, and let's move that sweaty racing suit. Let's have a look at it. So long sleeve, BDL logo on the front, and then down the sleeve, sexy bit of riding, build drive race. So I'll be on the website tonight. You can look at them. I'll put a link here in the description. So yeah, got the rest of the day off doing some self-care. So I think we should go to the art shop and have a look at some pretty colours. I am so sunburnt. Picked up our shirts, and I'm going to show you what I do with them now. I'll show you what I got to. So this is my cinema room, and these locks are horrible because I've got to hold. All right. So, oh my god, it's a bit dirty, but yeah. So after I bought the clothes, this is where I keep them all, except to put them on the website. This is where my rack comes in handy. So I just pull this down. That's the backdrop. It's normally a bit quicker, but because I'm holding the camera with one hand and winding with the other, that's why it's slower. After I move this stuff out of the way, that'll be the backdrop. Sometimes that color doesn't really work, which is why I have a paper backdrop, which I stick to that to make it look a bit more crisp. And it's no photo shoot, but when I want to get things online quicker, that's what I do, and that's what you should do, because it makes whatever makes life easier. So let's go ahead, bring the shirts in and have a look. Now that's all set up, let's have a look. First things first, hard lesson I learned is you should iron your shirt. Black doesn't show up so much, but if you don't, it'll come up like this. So yeah, there was wrinkles everywhere, so now I'm just going to iron the shirt. I don't have an ironing board, so I'm just using a towel on the coffee table, and I've found the best way to do it is not to iron the whole garment and chase your tail, but sit it exactly how you want it in the photo and just iron out the top pieces that you'll see. I'm not doing that just yet, I'm just doing the main, doing that, and then we'll fold down the sleeve because that's how it's going to sit in the photo, and iron sort of where that is. And then I also want to get some photos of the lettering down the side, so I'm just isolating that sleeve on its own and ironing the wrinkles out of that. This makes a hell of a difference because, I don't know, I've uploaded in the past and it's crazy how the camera just picks up the wrinkles, and even though you can edit out, you can kind of edit out the wrinkles, like soften them up a bit, I think it's better off just to start off nice and flat and they come up better. So yeah. Alright, so having that writing on the outside of the sleeve is pretty difficult to work with. There's probably better ways and more industrial ways, but for a minimalist approach, this works pretty well. If it's dark, I set up the box lights and aim them at the roof, so there's no hot spots on the actual garments, but I much rather El Natural when it comes to lighting. So now we can probably get a single photo of the writing because it's difficult to get it otherwise, and then get creative. Oh, this sensitizer is like not a liquid. Cool. Alright, that's my quick little haul video. It's the end of the day now. Thanks for following me around for the day. I look forward to showing you maybe how I do my screen prints on this new screen and how to test that new photo emulsion. So yeah, thanks for watching.